안녕하세요 여러분. Welcome to Sophia Imo's kitchen. Have you tried the dry squid? I think many of you guys think that the dry squid is really hard to chew and then your teeth and your jaw are aching after eating this. Actually, it's obviously true, but many Korean people really like this flavor because it's salty and chewy and even a little sweet. This is a dry shredded squid. We usually eat this for snack and for anju, which is the alcohol side dish for soju. And also we can use them for making banchan, which is side dish in Korean. So it's a really popular side dish for especially for the kids. Today we're gonna make stir-fried dry shredded squid. Oh, it's too long word. So I will give you the best tips during the process, please. So keep watching this video to the end. Then the process is so simple. It's just remember 2 steps: making sauce and mixing. That's all. So let's get started.
Step 1. Washing the dry squid. First, trim the dry shredded squid with scissors. Second, wash 200 grams of dry shredded squid twice.
And here's the first tip. Washing the dry shredded squid makes them more tender, and also some chemicals in the surface will be removed. So you know that the dry squid is not that super white. That means something might be used to make them white. Maybe you can see the color of the water becomes white. So just wash them twice, but do not wash them too much because the unique flavor of the dry squid will be lost and becomes bland.
Third, and put them on the strainer to drain water. Step 2. Making seasoning sauce. First, put half tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of oligosaccharides or corn syrup. If you don't have both of them, just put 1 more tablespoon of sugar. And put 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and 1 tablespoon of green plum syrup.
Ta-da! Here's the second tip. Just green plum syrup can remove the fishy smell of squid. But if you don't have it, just use the half teaspoon of the vinegar instead.
And put 1 tablespoon of hot pepper flakes and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of hot pepper paste.
At the end, here's the third tip. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Actually, water is also an important element of the making seasoning.
And 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. It's about 2 cloves of garlic. Wow, so many seasonings, right? But those seasonings guarantees favorite taste. And second, turn on the stove on medium-low heat first and stir them well. And third, boil them down for a while on the high heat till the seasoning becomes thick. So, making seasoning is finished. Step 3. Mixing. First, turn off the stove and put dried shredded squid on the seasoning. Second, mix them well to be seasoned evenly. Third, then put 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise on them and turn on the heat again and mix them a little.
This is the final tips. We put mayonnaise in the last part, not putting it with the other ingredients together before, because it makes squid more tender and more flavory.
And fourth, finally turn off the heat and sprinkle the seasoned seed. Ta-da! Here's the most delicious dried squid. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. 안녕!